Um, Hi, Kylie Potpot! First of all, happy birthday sa'yo. Sorry kung wala si Ninang sa first birthday mo. Babawi na lang ako pag umuwi kami ulit. Kaya lang, pag umuwi kami, malaki ka na. Hindi ka na baby and probably hindi mo na din ako kilala. Basta, I wish you all the best. My cute cupcake. Ninang is always here for you. Pag may naaway sa'yo, sabihin mo lang sa akin at aawayin din natin. Joke lang. Nangihinaya nga ako kasi hindi tayo nakapag-spend ng longer time nung nasa bakasyon kami. Anyways, sana maging masaya ka as you grow up and sana you'll be a mabait goddaughter pag lumaki ka na, and of course, I also wish you good health and basta I'm really sure na pag lumaki ka na, you'll be as beautiful as your mommy and ninang. Stay humble and jolly, and always remember din na ikaw ang nangunguna na pinaka-favorite na inaanak ko. Yun lang. Happy first birthday, my cute little cupcake. Enjoy your party. I love you so much. Mwah!